Good afternoon. You are welcomed by Citadel Watch Company. This Rado Sintra 152.033.3 watch looks great. Its ceramic case gives it not only a stylish but also a rugged look. The sapphire crystal adds reliability and protection. The case size, 29mm, makes them compact enough for convenient use. Plus, they boast a quartz movement with a power reserve of 3 years, which means accuracy and durability. And of course, let's not forget the water resistance, although it's more of a splash protection than full immersion. The lack of damage and its excellent condition is another reason to love this wristwatch. You can clearly see on the dial, where the hours, minutes, seconds and date functions are presented, that they are designed for comfort and elegance. Would love to see them on your wrist. Good shopping and have a great day.